Say hello to Experience Curriculum, now available in brightwheel. This research-based curriculum, aligned to state standards, comes with lesson plans, activities, and assessments, all conveniently accessible in the brightwheel web and mobile app. Experience Curriculum's cross-disciplinary model uniquely weaves 35 research-based skills into playful games and discovery projects. It's nationally recognized and aligned to NAEYC, Common Core, Head Start, and all 50 states' early learning standards. It's been used and loved by educators for over 30 years, so you can be confident in the quality behind the program. This expert-designed curriculum is paired with a toolkit of hands-on learning materials mailed directly to your doorstep every month. Open the toolkit to find the teacher guide, weekly lessons, activities, and manipulatives, all designed by educators. Spend less time on planning and prepping activities and more time with each child in your program. The preloaded curriculum, lessons, and assessments matching your toolkit are all accessible in the brightwheel app. Get a quick snapshot of the daily schedule on web with the daily lesson plans side by side. Easily navigate between activities to follow the flow of the classroom. The curriculum is flexible to fit your unique schedule. Individualize learning based on a child's interest by rearranging activities, adding new ones, or creating your own. With Experience Curriculum skills built into the app, you will know what to observe and how to assess the growth and learning for every child. Digital lesson plans and activities are all available in the palm of your hand in the brightwheel mobile app. Easily log observations and learnings as it naturally happens. Document each child's developmental level, all within the app, no paper necessary. Send preloaded or custom notes, and even capture photos. Families will receive the update directly in the app, allowing them to engage with their child's ongoing development. Manage your day all in one place, save time, improve program quality, and support child development, all using brightwheel. With Experience Curriculum.